Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette official pace car. So this is a 1 year only with the silver interior, black with the stripes and the graphics package. This one is an L82. I don't need my glasses today because it looks like we've got a hurricane coming in over here. It's been raining every day in Florida. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a full walk around. We're gonna point out any imperfections and highlight all the amazing parts of this car so you can make a decision on buying your next classic. Before we start with the front fascia of this Corvette, I want you guys to be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content. Back to the car at hand, extremely clean. I'd rate the paint a 7 out of 10, very lustrous, so it has a lot of sheen and shine. There are minor imperfections, so this is plastic right here. There are small hairline cracks, but overall condition, very nice. What I'm gonna do is start up the car and turn the headlights on, so that's gonna be the first question we're gonna get when we list the car like this. Do the headlights work? Gonna start it up. And yes, they work. One's a little slower, but they do operate as they should. We're gonna close them. Hey, you go down. There we go. It started up without me getting inside of it. As you look at the driver's side, it's very clean. You've got all of your logos there. You've got your L82. That means it's 220 horsepower. And right now it's running very quiet. I'm gonna open up the hood for you. So the car has around 70,000 miles. Factory AC that works, and it's been detailed up. Radiator works as it should. You've got yourself a little alarm here, but that's been disabled. Power brakes, power steering, and then it does have a smog pump, which is interesting for an L82. New ignition wires, and then the carburetor was gone through prior to our purchase. Alternator has been touched up as well. But listen to how nice it is. I'm gonna give you some gas. Not bad, nice and smooth, no ticking, no smoke from the rear. Let me close it and shut it off. Well, since you're over there, passenger side is extremely clean, looks just like the driver's side. All the fiberglass looks right, and then remember, this is a fiberglass body, so what you want to do is get underneath here and take a look at the frame. The frame is solid, there's no rot, and then you can put your hole, there's holes down here. If you're looking at any Corvette of this era or prior, you want to put your finger in there and see if there's any rust coming out, and this one's extremely solid and dry. You can see the engine paint right there, the blue, and then you got your exhaust that runs all the way down. You're also going to want to check over here. So there's shims that are in the suspension. You want to make sure that they're not rotted or rusting, and these are proper and in place. Also, this is solid. If you find one of these and you hit it and rust starts falling down, just get away from it. Wheels and tires are really nice. Tires have about 95% tread, and then you can see the official pace car emblem here, and that was for 1 year only, so it was black. They would come without the stickers, and then you can install the stickers. Come like in a package. You got your Indianapolis Motor Speedway sticker right here. And then the wheels, they look really nice. They could clean up a little bit better, let's see. With the striping, I love that look. Rear end looks really good. Your wing is in great shape. And then when you open up the gas cap, you can see that it's nice and clean. Normally water will sit there and mess up all the rubber, but this one looks good. There's your filler. All the glass looks great back here too, and the trim has been painted black. There's your taillights, slight cracking on this one and this one, which is common for the year. And then you have the two-tone with the breakup line. Looks good. No imperfections on the bumperettes, which are just part of the bumper themselves. We got a power antenna, small nicks on the driver's side door, but nothing alarming. And then also this is a T-top car, so you can take these T-tops off and throw them in the back and enjoy that free air. There's your stickers and some oil change intervals. This has, as I said, around 70,000 miles, and that's definitely true mileage. Interior is clean, seats look great, and the dash looks great as well. I don't see any cracks or tears. What do you say we jump inside of it and take it for a test drive? We're We're inside the pace car right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the key on. It starts up like that every time. Radio works as it should. And then your AC does operate. So you can put it in the high position and turn it on, and the AC is cold. Let's get it to max. You can feel the compressor kick on. Not bad at all. Your gauges are operating as they should. You can see the tachometer. And then you can see your oil pressure is working. And it's about 160 degrees right now, and the oil pressure is around 50 pounds. Your voltage is working, your fuel gauge works. The clock looks like it's not operational. Let's give it a little tap. Nope, not working. Dash looks very clean, and your windows work as they should, so they go up and down with ease. Let me show you your side as well. T-tops are easy to see through, they're not sun-baked. And then all the screws are correct, so there's no wooden screws holding this thing in place. The rear looks good. You've got some storage boxes back here. And your battery is on my side. Ashtray looks clean as well. And the cigarette lighter looks like it's never been used. We're gonna put it in gear right now. Goes into gear properly. The power steering is very easy. We're gonna make it short because there's a hurricane coming through here. Around 3 o'clock every single day, we've got weather that comes in like this. So if you wanna get anything done outside, it has to be between 7 in the morning till now. Brakes feel good and even. And the steering wheel is also, it has a tilt wheel. I'm gonna turn the air on for us. Hopefully that doesn't affect the microphone. So this has the L82 motor. They had an L48 and an L82. L82 is a higher horsepower. I think the L48 was 180 horse, and this is 220 horsepower. Or 190 horse is what it was. Suspension feels good. No rattles. Transmission shifting properly. The glove box has a cassette holder in there, so you can put your cassettes. Obviously they had tapes at that time. We're gonna turn right onto Ravenswood, and then I'm gonna give it some gas so you can see how it reacts. I'll also turn the air off so you can hear it better. You ready? That's to 60 miles an hour, no hesitation. That Rochester carburetor sucks the air in quickly, and it escapes right out those tailpipes. I don't hear any exhaust leaks. This is a really solid driver quality car. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. How do you feel about it, Yasid?
It's a great driver quality car. Very healthy.
It's pretty, I mean, that is pretty peppy. Yeah, brakes feel good. We'll turn around here. It shifts through the gears with no problems at all. It's a nice solid driver. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We'll be able to assist with shipping worldwide. The suspension, front suspension feels very solid. It's not bouncy. And the rear end, so it has that leaf spring design with the shocks, and it feels tight. It doesn't feel loose. Do you see this thing coming in? Looks like an episode of Stranger Things.